Yeah, if you have a Trigger Scout or a Traeger Ranger, this could be your culprit. So guys, I got the part for our trigger again. So it's here it is. Here's the new one. And yeah, we're gonna get put in, and we'll give you guys a little tutorial how we put it back in. And yeah. So like, subscribe, so our friends keep on watching, because we figure it out. Core family of 6 and we get it done. If you see these parts back here, this is for our Traeger Ranger, and the sensor went bad, so we need a new sensor. It's like a $10 part on Amazon. Yeah, if you guys have trouble, if you keep it, it's a HER, her. It's literally HER, capital H, capital E, lowercase r. Yeah, if you get that code, this could be your culprit. I don't know. This could be your problem. Yeah. So if you, do the simple steps first, which is just make sure the auger's free. Make sure there's not a bunch of ash, not a bunch of grease, all that stuff. Just make sure. Just do your daily or your whatever maintenance on it. Yeah, and just try and clean it up, and make sure you keep it clean, because yeah, it will last a little bit longer. So I've had the trigger since last November, maybe December. So this could be your problem. So watch. So yeah, if you have a Trigger Scout or a Traeger Ranger, this could be your culprit. So I had to take it apart, and it was not. It was easy, but just make sure you keep track of your screws and all your bolts. But yeah, this could be your problem, and it's right here at the bottom, and I'm not sure. They have this is a common problem with these, but yeah. Till the next time, catch you guys. Like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. We appreciate it, and yeah, we're almost to 7,000 subscribers. Thank you all. Thank you to all of you for supporting us. We've been doing this about a year now, and we're very thankful. And we've met some people, not a lot of people, throughout our RVing adventure that are also YouTubers. So if you are getting into this and you want to see more content, like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Hey guys, it's freaking hot out there, so we're gonna run to load it, and so we're gonna take you guys along with us. We've never been there, so we're gonna try it out. Yeah, it's like, I don't know, it's fries or some nachos. I don't know. We've never been there, so we're gonna go check it out
and bring it home.
Bring you guys with us. So yeah, let's go check it out. Catch you guys there.
Ruben.
Creamy loaded crab loaded potato. So guys, I got the part for our trigger again. So it's here it is. Here's the new one. And yeah, we're gonna get put in, and we'll give you guys a little tutorial how we put it back in. And yeah, so like, subscribe, so our friends keep on watching, because we figure it out. We're a family of 6 and we get it done. So you run the wires through the firewall again, and then there's a little right here, just wire back in. Bam, just like that. Got him. We need something to cut that.
Yeah.
And just like that, we're back. The walk for the win. Now it's in there snug. Okay, now here's the screw. That's all for that. It was just freaking sunny, and then this. We got the smoker fired up. As you guys seen, we just got it fixed. But the only way to find out if this is really fixed is to throw something on, smoke it for about 2 hours, and yeah, try it out. But this rain is coming down good. It's crazy. But yeah, if you guys like, subscribe, show our friends, catch you guys on the next one. Hit that follow button, drop a comment down below. If there's something you guys want to see, something you guys want to know, drop that comment down below and we will let you know. Until then, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. See ya.